So, thank you very much. We start on time, we finish on time. We're all business people, so time has to be kept and respected. And I'm very much happy that we're very overfloating this room. That means that the speaker panel is not only excellent, but there's also a huge interest that what we're going to discuss next. And it's my great pleasure to introduce the next speaker and the first speaker of the session, Zahir Alpaslan from GlobalFoundries. And I have to say, you know, that we had already discussions on the mass production and scaling. And of course, GlobalFoundries are the one who knows it the best. So, Zahir, please, the attention of everyone is yours.
All right. Thank you. So if you've seen the talk from Alexander yesterday and Soran today and Cyril also today, you are going to see a lot of commonalities between what I'm going to tell you and what they told you earlier. So 10 years ago, Erhan and I were in SID Display Week demonstrating a holographic display made out of MicroLED displays and a full-color MicroLED display at the same time on the table, just like this. 10 years now, after 10 years, where are we? There is still no MicroLED display on the market. So what is going on? It is similar to what Bernard was saying. 10 years ago he was wearing the Google Glass, but today nobody is wearing any glasses, any smart glasses. So there is something wrong, and I am hoping that I'll be able to tell you what is wrong and how to fix it. So there are two different challenges, or two different class of challenges when it comes to microLED manufacturing, specifically microLED on silicon manufacturing. First is the business challenge. We need to figure out a way to make money out of this thing. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Somebody has to pay money for it. Customers need to be able to use it. They need to see the clear difference, just like when LCOS displays, or not LCOS, LCD displays first came out. They were on a Casio watch or they were on your calculators. Why? Because you cannot put a CRT onto your watch or onto a calculator. That was a clear differentiator that actually created a new application area. We haven't done that with MicroLED yet. And second is a technical challenge. Soran went into these in a lot more detail than I'm going to go into. There are many pixel architectures, there is color issue, there is front plane to back plane integration. So these things have to be solved for this technology to be available. So you've seen this comparison many times. I'm just going to tell you, when it comes to microLED, of course, it has all these different advantages compared to everything else. But LCOS can also create high brightness, and LCOS can also create small pixel pitch, and MicroOLED can create excellent contrast ratio, and can also create small form factor. Why is it interesting? Because what I'm trying to say here is, if there are already technologies that are addressing a technology or an application, you need to figure out a way to beat those technologies in a really good way. Otherwise, nobody is going to use our technology. So here, why is MicroLED not more popular? Because if you look at the system architecture for AR glasses, LCOS is good enough. LCOS has good enough brightness. LCOS has good enough color. What about form factor? MicroOLED can come and do it. You heard in the morning, 51% of all the AR glasses are made with MicroOLED. So, in addition to technology, you need to also address the device cost, application, usability. All of these need to be addressed in a product for this technology to be successful. I've been in the technology area. I was a system engineer. I created holographic displays using MicroLED that we still don't have. It is really easy, to get enchanted. I am doing the best technology. It's great. I love it. Yes, it's good stuff. I agree with you. But if nobody is paying for it, a few years later, you are going to be doing something else. So how do we solve it? We need to find applications for MicroLED that can be easily addressed by LCOS or MicroOLED. So what is the application? I'm not going to tell you. This is something that you need to come and figure out and come to me to manufacture.